Hey guys, Tony Maritato here. So probably one of the most common questions we get in the clinic is how long do I have to do these exercises? How much longer will I have to do them? Will this be something I have to do for the rest of my life? And the simple answer is, if I want to be a smart aleck, I'd come back and say, well, my guess is you showered yesterday and you're probably going to shower tomorrow. And you're probably gonna shower today. It's like one of those things, you eat every day, you get dressed every day. So there's some truth to the idea that you have to do your exercises every day for the rest of your life. Now, does that mean you have to do the exercises you learned? Sorry guys, I'm waiting by the road. Does that mean you have to do the exercises you learned in physical therapy? No, absolutely not. Like, the purpose of getting the knee replaced is so you can get out there and do all the stuff you love doing, right? For some of you, that's hiking. For some of you, that's swimming. For some of you, that's playing with, your dogs or your grandkids. Sometimes they're the same. But the idea is you don't have to keep doing your straight leg raise and your heel slides. You don't have to keep doing your squats and your lunges. Like, you don't have to do any of that stuff. You have to keep active. You have to keep the knee moving. Now, once you reach the point where the tissue is healed and the range has been attained, you're pretty much done, right? Like, you're building a house. I'm looking at the house across the street. You're building a house. You put all this work into building the house. Once the house is built, you don't have to keep building the house. Now, you have to maintain the house. You have to keep everything functional, but you don't keep building the house. So to answer the question, how long will you have to do the exercises? The short answer is as long as you have to. As long as you don't have the range you want, as long as you don't have the strength you want, as long as you don't have the ability to go out and do the fun stuff you want to do, the reason you got the knee replaced in the first place, keep doing the exercises. But once you reach that goal, once you're done, you're done. Get out there and enjoy it. Get out there and do all the stuff that you haven't done for the last year, 5 years, 10 years, however long it's been, and enjoy the new knee. It's like when you get that new car smell. Just get out there and enjoy it. On another video, I don't have time right now, I'm going to share a little tip for those of you who are lacking just a little bit of extension, like 5 degrees or less of extension. I'll show you some things you can do specifically that I probably wouldn't recommend somebody do if they're lacking 8, 12, 15 degrees of extension. But once you reach that kind of last little bit, I'll show you those exercises. I'll try and jump on later today or tomorrow. Otherwise, guys, thank you so much for supporting the group. The group is phenomenal. Everybody in here is doing amazing. Whether you're dealing with challenges or not, I really do appreciate. Tommy, that's right. The new knee Bill. Yeah, that too. I don't envy any of you who have to pay a portion of that. But guys, I'll catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching.